We're going to take notes today on the sum of unit fractions. If you remember, a unit fraction is 1 over any denominator. The most important part is that the numerator is always 1. So the fractions that we study in 3rd grade, the unit fractions are 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, and 1/8. Okay? Sum means to add. So then that means that we are adding unit fractions to make a bigger fraction, okay? So if I was going to take 3/4, then I would have 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 to equal 3/4. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 5/8 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, okay? To get a whole, you just have to have your unit fractions equal your denominator. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2/2, or 1 whole. Go ahead and use this. You can pause it right here to copy this information into your notes. Okay, glue this page into the next blank paper of your math notes. Once your paper is glued in, go ahead and write what you would add to get to 2/3 to 4/4. Go ahead and write the total number, the sum of these unit fractions. What would you need to get to 5/6, and then the sum of these unit fractions down here. I need you to check your work with your partner next to you whenever you're finished. Once you've finished checking with your partner, you each need one of these bags and one dice to play the game. You're going to roll the dice to get a fraction, and you're going to pull that unit fraction out of your bag. Your goal is to make all of your unit fractions add up to 1 whole. So I started with 1/8, so I'm going to reach in and find 1/8, the yellow pieces. Then my partner will roll. Once they've rolled and pulled out their pieces, I'll roll again. Okay, now I need another 1/8, and I keep on going until I make my whole my whole row of 8s. Okay, then I need a 4th, and I pull out a 4th, and so on. Once I have 1 whole, okay, then I need to tell my partner 1/8, whatever it is that you have over your denominator, all your unit fractions, to make the sum of a whole. Right now I have 2 8s because I have 1/8 plus 1/8, and I need 6 more 8s to get to 1 whole. If you roll this, you don't get to do anything, okay, that you lose your turn. If you roll more, say I had all 8 8s out and I roll another 8, 1/8 again, then I have to skip my turn because I don't have any more to pull out of the bag. Your goal is to use up all of your fractions, all of your fraction pieces to build your entire thing, okay? Once I've won my game, all my pieces look like this, and then I can start taking them away. So I roll 1/4, and I can take away 1/4 and put it back in the bag. The partner who gets all of their holes built and then subtracted to put all their pieces back in the bag is the winner. Once you and your partner are finished, please bring back all your fraction pieces and your dice to the sub so she can put them away. And then you and your partner may work on your must-do, can-do part of your menu.